guys, it's Brianna. I haven't done a video in a long time, but I just recently got a VoxBox. And I know this is kind of a weird area. I mean, I'm right in front of my boyfriend's shower, but his house is really messy. So I'm kind of doing it in the bathroom because it seems to be the only clean room in this whole place. Anyways, I am going to be opening my Spring Fling VoxBox, and I'm super excited to see what's in it. And I'm covering up the my address. But so anyways, yeah, I have to do it on the floor probably because there's no empty space anywhere. Well, flat space. So yeah. Alright. So I am sitting on the floor in the bathroom, and just bear with me. I mean, this is really awkward sitting on the floor in a bathroom. But I'm gonna be opening it now. So just bear with me. Alright. So here is my VoxBox. Woo! Oh yeah. It's so awesome. Sorry, that's stationary bike. Let's try to get this thing open with one hand. Alright. Actually, you know what? Hold on a second. Let me open this. Okay, so here we go. Ooh. So this is my VoxBox. Can already see there's some cool stuff in here. Ooh. You know, I love Softlips so much. I mean, they're just like, I have a bunch of Softlips stuff, I think. So there's the cube, which actually looks pretty cool. I've never seen these before. Alright, and then we have Kiss Everlasting French nail thingies. You know, I don't really use these that often. I mean, sometimes I do, but like my nails, well, except for right now, they're kind of bad. But my nails, these are my own nails, and I try to grow them out myself. But I mean, hey, you never know. I might use these in the future. I've only gotten a French manicure once, so I mean, hey, it might look cool. And then Rimmel London Mascara Scandaleyes. That is actually pretty cool looking. Extreme black. Cool. I usually use Maybelline Colossal mascara, but I have been looking to change it up a little bit, so this is actually kind of cool to have new mascara. I'm definitely going to try this out. Yeah. What is this? It's a pie. It's a pie, yay. Oh, this is from the movie Labor Day. Came out on April 29th. Well, that's kind of cool. Wait, is this an air freshener thingamajigger? Hold on. Shoot. What is this? Oh, yeah, it's an air freshener thingy. Or a... Ooh, that's cool. Smells good. I got some Playtex Sport Fresh Balance tampons. I think these are tampons, right? Yes. This is cool, but I unfortunately don't do tampons. Bad experience. Not very fun to talk about. But it's my friend did tell me that when it comes to lady products that she likes Playtex Sport tampons, so yeah. Cool. And last thing, if I can get it out, Nivea Skin Firming Hydration Lotion, or Hydration Body Lotion. I actually use Nivea on a regular basis. I mean, you know, I really like it. It's easy on my skin. My skin's very sensitive to, like, what's it called? It's really sensitive to, like, fragrance, I guess. Lotions with fragrance. There we go. And I use Nivea, and I love it. And you know, it doesn't smell. You know, it's really nice, actually. Anyways, so yeah, that's the last thing in my VoxBox, and the little card in here, if I can get it out. Little card, Influencer Spring VoxBox, and all of the instructions. So yeah, that's my VoxBox. Hope you like it. I know this wasn't the best video in the world, but you know, I'm still new at doing all this stuff. So yeah, comment, rate, thumbs up, subscribe, you know. Anyways, thanks for watching.